Hey, how you doing everybody? This is John, and I'm doing a review of the Hypertough 500 aluminum solar pathway light. So this is a smaller version of the 1000 Hypertough solar LED um, security motion sensor. Um, this one is also from Walmart, which cost $14.95. Okay, so here is the unit right over here. It's a smaller unit, like I said, from the one previously before. So in the box, it comes with your instructions. It also comes with a small package of two screws, and two plastic, so you can insert them into the brick. Okay. And on the back of the unit, this is where you have the battery. And here's your light switch right over there. You can either turn it on, turn it off. This is where you do your testing. You can set it for your automatic. This is here is the back plate right over here, and your two screws. So like I said before, this is a smaller version of the 1000 lumens of the Hypertough security solar LED motion sensor detector. So I've already tested the unit already, it works. And go ahead and check out my other video for the testing. This light is a pretty bright light. So hey, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Go ahead, subscribe, comment, or like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.